Insane car hacks that will blow your mind. People who have a real passion for driving will never find another activity that can compare to the experience and pleasure of having their own vehicle. It is considered a privilege to own a car, and while some people develop an emotional connection to their automobile, others may view it to get them to their destination. Apart from simply being the owner of a car, the act of caring for the vehicle can be quite a challenge. However, with the plethora of different types of car hacks that are currently available, you can maintain your vehicle's peak performance. Let's take a look at one advice on how to maintain your vehicle that even the most experienced drivers might have overlooked. We cover everything, from easy ways to clean your home to suggestions for extending the life of your automobile. The car woes won't last forever if you take advantage of these 10 useful car hacks. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Fix cloudy headlights. Cloudy headlights are a common problem for car owners, and they can be caused by a variety of factors, including UV radiation, weather exposure, and environmental contaminants. Cloudy headlights not only look unsightly but can also reduce the amount of light that your headlights project, making it harder to see when driving at night. Here are some steps that you can take to fix cloudy headlights. Clean the headlights. The first step in fixing cloudy headlights is to clean them thoroughly. You can use a soft cloth and a mild soap solution to clean the headlights, being careful not to scratch the surface. Polish the headlights. After sanding the headlights, the next step is to polish them. There are several commercial headlight polishing products available that can be used for this purpose. Apply the polish to the headlights using a soft cloth or a polishing pad, and then buff the headlights until they are shiny. 2. Repair a cracked window with nail polish. Utilize this ingenious method to keep your cracked window from getting worse in the event that you are short on funds and unable to get your vehicle to a repair shop in a timely manner. 1 bottle of transparent acrylic nail polish is all that is required of you. I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, but it really does work every time. If you need to temporarily cover the crack to prevent further damage or to keep out drafts, you can use clear packing tape. 3. DIY car mats. Making your own DIY car mats is a process where you create car mats for your car's interior by using materials such as fabric, non-slip rug pad or rubber matting, scissors, measuring tape, fabric glue, and a sewing machine. To begin, you measure the floor of your car to determine the size of your car mats, and then cut your non-slip rug pad or rubber matting to the desired size. Next, you cut your fabric to the same size as your rug pad or rubber matting. After that, you can use a fabric glue or a sewing machine to attach the fabric to the non-slip rug pad or rubber matting. This DIY project can allow you to customize your car's interior to your personal style, and can also be a fun and easy way to create unique and practical car mats. 4. Dryer sheets for unwanted odors. Dryer sheets are a popular and effective way to combat unwanted odors in your car. Dryer sheets are made from a thin, non-woven material that is coated with a layer of fabric softener. When placed in your car, the dryer sheets can help to absorb and neutralize unpleasant odors, leaving your car smelling fresh and clean. To use dryer sheets to combat unwanted odors in your car, you can simply place a few sheets under the seats, in the door pockets, or in other areas where odors tend to linger. The dryer sheets will work to absorb any odors in the air, leaving your car smelling fresh and clean. 5. Parking tip with a tennis ball. The DIY parking tip that involves using a tennis ball is a simple and effective way to help guide you into the perfect parking spot. To set it up, you will need a tennis ball, string or cord, scissors, a screwdriver, and a sealing hook, optional. To begin, tie one end of the string or cord to the tennis ball. Next, determine where you want the tennis ball to hang in your garage or parking space. One common method is to attach a sealing hook to the spot where you want to park your car, and then hang the tennis ball from the hook so that it hangs just above your windshield. When you park your car, simply pull up slowly until the tennis ball touches your windshield. This indicates that you have pulled in far enough and can stop without hitting anything behind you. 6. Use a coffee filter to clean your dashboard. Using a coffee filter to clean your car dashboard is a great trick as it's an easy and affordable way to keep your dashboard looking clean and dust-free. The texture of the coffee filter is gentle and won't scratch or damage the surface of your dashboard. Additionally, Coffee filters are very effective at trapping dirt and dust particles, making them a great choice for cleaning hard surfaces. 7. Use a lint roller to clean your seats. Using a lint roller to clean your car seats is a simple and effective way to remove dust, dirt, and pet hair from your car's upholstery. Using a lint roller is a great way to keep your car seats looking clean and fresh without having to spend a lot of money on expensive cleaning products. It's also a quick and easy solution for pet owners who want to remove pet hair from their car seats. 8. Leaking sunroof tip. A leaking sunroof can be a frustrating and costly problem for car owners. However, there is a simple tip that can help prevent sunroof leaks and keep your car dry. Here's how to do it. Clean the area around the sunroof. Use a clean cloth to wipe down the area around the sunroof and remove any dirt or debris. Let the sealant dry. Allow the sealant to dry completely before using your car or exposing it to any moisture. 9. Visibility hack. A visibility hack is a simple solution that can help improve your visibility while driving in adverse weather conditions. Here's how to do it. Clean your headlights and taillights. Use a clean cloth to wipe down your headlights and taillights and remove any dirt or grime that has built up on the surface. This will help improve their visibility in low light conditions. These visibility hacks are easy to implement and can make a big difference in your ability to see while driving in adverse weather conditions. By keeping your headlights and taillights clean, applying a rain repellent, and using a microfiber cloth to wipe down your windshield, you can help ensure a clear and safe driving experience. 10. Use tinted window clings as movable shades. Tinted window clings are a great solution for car owners who want to create movable shades without the hassle of installing permanent tinted windows. Here's how to use tinted window clings as movable shades. Choose your window clings. You can find tinted window clings in a variety of colors and shades at most auto supply stores. Be sure to choose a size that fits your car windows. Clean your windows. Use a clean cloth to wipe down your car windows and remove any dirt or debris. Apply the clings. Peel off the backing of the window clings and apply them to your car windows. Make sure they are centered and smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles. Adjust the shades as needed. Since the window clings are not permanent, you can easily adjust them or remove them altogether depending on your needs. They can be repositioned or removed without leaving any residue. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing car hacks, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.